Hey there, Deborah Donaldson here, and in today's video I'm going to be talking to you about how to add a hello bar or a ribbon capture, lead capture portion to the top of your website using Thrive Themes and Thrive Leads. Now, I just learned this morning and I am blown away, so I want to show you how easy it is to use. I'll be putting a link to Thrive Themes down below, but using this ribbon can be a great way to catch the attention of the people that are getting to your blog. It is one of the prime areas that people click to enter in their email address for different lead capture things. So other than being the first one on the sidebar, doing the hello bar at the top is super effective. So let's get started. Okay, so here we are. I am at my WordPress back office, my dashboard, and I've got my Thrive dashboard open, and I had clicked on Thrive Leads. Now I'm already have a couple of different opt-in forms available, but I didn't really understand what the ribbon was and that it was the same thing as a hello bar. In fact, this morning I was so close to paying for a monthly subscription to Hello Bar because I didn't realize that Thrive Themes actually has this available in the Thrive Leads section. So I wanted to walk you through how this works. I just learned this, so I apologize if there's a little bit of mess up, but it's very, very easy. So I'm going to add a new, you would go to lead group. I'm going to add a new one, and I will just call this test. And add a new lead group, and then I'm going to add a new type of opt-in form. So this gives you all of the different types of opt-in forms available, and the one that's like the hello bar is called the ribbon. So then you would pick ribbon. And what it's going to do is then you've got your ribbon picked. You can come back and set the display options here. But what I need to do is add a form to actually show up on my website. So I'm going to say add a form. And then this is their basic form builder. And so then and the next thing that I would do if I'm done, then I'd say, okay, I'm going to go back to the dashboard, or I am ready to create a form. So I'm going to say create a form. And I'm going to give this form a name. Let's just call it test 1 create form. Okay, here we are. So then I can say I want it to display immediately on page load. I want it all the time, and then I'll be able to, and it's at the top of the page, I'll be able to come back and say whether it shows up in categories or post pages, you know, where I want it to show up. But the first thing is to actually create my form. So then I'm going to go over here to the Edit Design button right here. And this is going to bring up the edit button. So with this is how I'm going to be able to pick my colors. I'm going to be able to integrate it with my autoresponder. I'll be able to add images and all that kind of stuff. So as you can see here, it's just taking a little time to load. My computer is a little bit slow. My internet is a little bit slow, so I apologize for that. So this gives you a couple of different things to use, and I don't want a two-step one because I've got everything all on a different, so this is a two-step, these are all two steps. Here we go, right here, one step. Oh, this is a multi-step. Oh, one-step ribbon, here we go. Personal brand. Here's a pretty basic one. And then these are all kind of basic right here. So let's just pick this one right here. But it's got name. I don't want it to do name. And let's do this one here because I've got my opt-in form already on Go High Level, which is what I use to manage my leads and my funnels. So this one looks like it's just got a button. Let's see what this looks like. So choose template. If I don't like it, I can always come back and edit it later. So once I'm in this box here, it gives me my editing choices, and I can actually change the type here. I can change the button color, And then I can also, if I go to button, this is the same editor you use for the other forms, I can target my opt-in forms. So let's just say get, let's see, first of all, I want to pick a different color. Let's go for over here to the side. I don't want to change template, settings. No, I don't want to do that. So let's go to here, main options, decorations. No, layout and position. Oh, background style. So here we go. So if I want a different color, I will pick this and say I want to do one of my standard colors. Let's pick that so you can see how that changes right away. Let's go to get my free PDF. So if I wanted to add an image, I would come over here to the right, add an element, and I could pick an image and I could drag it over here and put it either above. I could add it there. So if I had an image that I wanted to add, then I could put that in there right there. I'm not going to do that right now, and also the image is kind of big, so we'll just go there and we'll delete that. And then get it now. Let's get to the button color. Button colors here, so what the heck, let's just keep it that. And I am going to see if I can get this box a little bit bigger. There we go. And so if I like this, then what I would do is come down here to the left and say save and preview. I can take a look at how this is going to look, and it will show me how well it works. Okay, get my free PDF. And I don't have my button currently set up to my autoresponder, but basically what they'd do is they would click the button and then they would go to my email list, which would deliver my free PDF on the pitfalls. Okay, so that is that. And then let's get back. Oh, here we are at the settings. So for the settings, I can pick, that's test 1. Let's go back to dashboard and go down here to test. And the settings is this gear button right here. So I can set whether it shows just on pages, posts. I can pick all posts, the front page, all pages. If I only wanted to show on certain categories, I could click on categories and have it just show on categories. So there's lots of options with this. I mean, it's like the options are almost endless, and I'm so excited. I did not realize that this was an option with Thrive Leads. I never knew what the ribbon was until this morning. And so now I can set it up and get going, and I hope you found this to be helpful. I'll see you on the next one. Start utilizing Thrive ribbons. There's a link to Thrive down in the description below. Hey, thank you so much for watching my video all the way through. I really appreciate you. You know the routine. Make sure you click that like button, hit subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you list them below. I always try and come back and answer any questions, and if there's enough questions on a certain topic, then I'll come back and make another video on that topic. So thanks again for being here, and like and subscribe. Make your comments down below, and we'll see you on the next one.